If your Opera downloads feel slow, this quick tweak can help improve download speed in just a minute. In this video, I'll show you how to increase Opera download speed using a hidden settings page inside the browser. It's a simple change, it's free, and it can make a real difference if you download files often. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Opera browser and click the search bar at the very top. This is where you can type special browser commands directly into Opera. Now type Opera/flags into the bar and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Opera's experimental features page, where you can enable settings that are not turned on by default. Once the page loads, you'll see a search box at the top that says search flags. Click inside that box and type the word parallel. This will narrow down the list and help you find the exact setting we need much faster. In the results, look for the option called Parallel Downloading. This is the feature that can help speed up downloads by allowing Opera to split downloads into multiple connections instead of handling them one at a time. Next, click the drop-down menu next to Parallel Downloading. It will most likely be set to default, but you want to change it to Enabled. As soon as you select Enabled, Opera will prepare the change, but it won't take effect until the browser restarts. You'll now see a blue relaunch button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click that button to restart Opera and apply the new setting. After Opera relaunches, the parallel download feature will be active and your browser should be better optimized for faster downloads. If you want to test it, try downloading a file you normally use and compare the speed. Just keep in mind that results can vary depending on your internet connection, the website you're downloading from, and your computer performance. Still, this is one of the easiest ways to increase Opera download speed without installing anything extra. And that's it. You've now enabled parallel downloading in Opera. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.